Use of do, does, and did. Do is used with I, you, we, they, and plural subjects. Does is used with he, she, it, and singular subjects. Did is used with all subjects for past tense. Let us see a few examples. What blank you study. Here keyword is you, so we will use do. Blank she like coffee. So here keyword is she. So with she we will use does. I blank not play cricket. So here keyword is I. So with I we will use do. What dash your brother do? So here keyword is brother. Brother is the singular subject. So with singular we will use does. He blank not watch TV. So again with he we will use does. He does not watch TV. Why blank they leave early? So here leave early means they have already left. So with this sentence we will use did. Dolly blank not like burger. So here Dolly is a singular subject. So with singular we will use does. Blank she called you yesterday. Yesterday indicates past tense. So with past tense we will use did. Did she call you yesterday? That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.